Hello, this is Mora from Mora's Small Kitchen, and I'll be reviewing the Eilte Gourmet 8-inch by 8-inch skillet. I got this over maybe 3 months ago. I wanted to see how this, item works before I do the review. It came very nicely packaged. What I liked about the cord is that it's a 2-prong, not a 3-prong, so you don't need to get no special extension cord for it. But sadly, the cord is pretty short. I think it's about 2 feet long, so yeah. It came with instruction book, and the instruction book comes with temperature gauges for different foods and also a couple recipes in the back as well. It is non-stick and it heats pretty evenly. I'm going to be doing the water test on this. So what I did wrong here was not lidding it. You're supposed to lid it to make sure it comes to full temperature. It only came to maybe 85% temperature. But it did a really good job boiling water. It took about 7 minutes for a standalone little skillet. Once I put the lid on, it really started. So that was my fault for user error on my part. But I've made steaks in this thing, I made pancakes, I've stir fries, I made so many things. I did a seafood boil. If you want to see that video, you can check the iCard in the top. It's a really nice thing to use. I've been using it almost every day after work, and I come home around maybe 2 in the morning, and it's such an easy thing to put your stuff in, cook it up, eat it. You can eat straight out of it once it cools enough. Take it with you, and then you can just pop it in the in the dishwasher when you're done, or clean it up straight when you're done, doing your thing. It is a really simple and pretty affordable. It's great for dorms, single. Yeah, you see, I'm even saying it's single. Single people, heck, you can give it to your kids and teach them how to cook there, because it has an easy bake vibe to me. Make nice small things. Eggs, I make eggs in this thing as well. It's really easy. It heats evenly. I think I said that already, but yeah, I would recommend this for anybody with small spaces and just want something to cook with without having a whole stovetop. Definitely recommend the Eilte Gourmet 8-inch electric skillet.